Welcome to Nari Saki, and today let's make simple dal, which is Goan's specialty. It is called dal toy. Very few ingredients and it is best served with rice. Very tasty. So here I have tur dal, split pigeon peas, which are been soaked in water for 2 to 3 hours. It's always healthy way to cook lentils by soaking in water. Wash it 2 3 times and then cook it with clean water. Here I'm going to add some fresh water, and you can cook it in the pot or in a pressure cooker, whichever way you prefer. So when you're cooking this dal lentil, add some salt, green chilies, and turmeric powder will give a nice color and it's very healthy also. Asafoetida for digestion, and cook it in a pot or in a pressure cooker for about 3 to 4 whistles. And now I'm going to keep this dal on the gas stove and do my seasoning. Traditionally in this dal toy for seasoning we use ghee. You can also use oil. When you use ghee for seasoning, make sure the gas is on low. Add mustard seeds. Mustard seeds are also good for digestion, for releasing gas. Wait for mustard seeds to splutter, otherwise they'll taste bitter. And once mustard seeds splutter, add red chilies, gas on low. And now we are going to add curry leaves. Curry leaves will give a nice flavor and aroma to this dal. And this seasoning we are going to add to the dal which is already kept for boiling. So now I'm going to add this. And after you add the seasoning, make sure you boil dal for another 2 to 3 minutes so dal will absorb all the flavor of the ghee, curry leaves, and mustard seeds, and it will really taste good. And it is served with rice. It's really tasty dal and very simple to make. Do try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nari Saki for more videos. Thank you for watching.